Green and go for the DepEd for the opening of classes next month. DepEd Secretary Armin Luistro expects a smooth start of school year 2013 to 2014. Dina Pagibiran reports.
Education is all set for the school opening this June 3. Preparation started last January with the early registration for elementary and high school students of public schools nationwide. DepEd Secretary Armin Luistro admitted that students who were unable to register last January will have a hard time in the first day of school as their names will not appear on the list of the enrolled students.
Ang problema ko, kung merong mga hindi nagpalista noong Enero, nasisipot na lamang na parang kabuti sa June 3.
Anong nangyayari sa kanila?
Talagang ang bibigyan ko ng priority. Yung lahat ng nagparehistro ng Enero at nandun sa listahan yon, wala silang kahirap-hirap, makikita nila yung klase nila, in fact yung kanilang mga section ay nakapaskil na.
Preparations of the department included addressing the shortage of and textbooks.
Yung upuan at saka mga textbook, itong dalawang ito, sigurado ko wala na. Magiging problema nga, kung may biglang mapasok, wala yon on the first day. Darating din yon, pero merong lag time. No?
The department also hired 61,500 teachers. 90,000 toilets have also been constructed nationwide.
Lahat ng ating mga eskwelahan ay magkakaroon ng mga sapat na guro para matuluan sila.
DepEd reminds students to prepare themselves for the coming school opening.
Malapit nang matapos ang bakasyon, siguro tapusin na ninyo inyong pag-swimming at saka paglalakwatsa. Okay lang yan. Maghanda na kayo ng inyong mga gagamitin sa eskwela at ng inyong sarili para sa pagbubukas ng klase sa June 3, ang mga leksyon ninyo ay handang-handa na ninyong upuan at matuto na.
For People's Television, Dina Pagibitan.